Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio W218HC. Anyway, the method will also apply to W218H. And yes, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first we need to get to the timekeeping mode, and to do that you can press the mode button several times until you see something like this. So just press and you will see the day, date, and then hour, minute, and second. And then the next one, you can change the time format by pressing this one on the top left, the start stop button that also works as the time format button. Okay. And then the next one, if you want to activate the backlight, easy, just press the right button, this one. Okay. And then next, if you want to do the LCD check, press all the three buttons at the same time. So you might want to hold the watch in this position and then press all the buttons like this, and then press any button to stop or to exit from this LCD check mode. Okay. And then next, you can also do the Casio check, because this one is 3 buttons Casio and they usually have this Casio check screen. And to do that, press and hold the top left button, the start stop button, until it shows Casio on the screen. Okay. Next, you can also do the alarm sound check, and to do that, press the mode button and get to the alarm mode, AL, this one, and then press the top left button and hold like this, and it will give beeping sound like this. And yes, it will change the alarm feature, so you might want to press this button several times until return to the previous setting. Okay, next, you can set the time, press the mode button several times until you see that the second is flashing or blinking like this. Okay, and now we can set the second, and to do that, press the top left button to reset the second. If it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, but if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. Okay. Okay. And then next, you can change the item to set by pressing the right button, this one. And now you can see that the hour is flashing or blinking, and you can change the number or increase the number by pressing this one, the top left button. But anyway, for this one, you cannot change down. So if you need to set the time before 2 p.m. in this case, you will need to press this one many times until you get to the time that you want. So in this case, let me set, let's say, back to 1 p.m. Okay, next, we can move to the next item, and to do that, press this one, the right button, that will also activate the backlight, as you can see. Now we can set the minute, and to do that, we can press this one, the start stop button on the top left. And yes, it only change up or increase. So if you need to get a lower number, you will need to press this one until 59 and then 00 and so on. Okay, next, press this one, the light button at the right part of the watch. And now we are setting the month. And the same thing, you can use this button on the top left to increase the number. Okay. And then again, press this button, the light button on the right. And now we are setting the date. And yes, the same thing. You will need to press this top left button to increase the number. Okay. And then again, press the light button. And now we are setting the day. And then the same thing. You will be able to increase or move forward but not backward. Okay, next, you can press again the light button to return to the first screen of the setting, and to exit from this, you can press the mode button. And now we are returning to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now let's set the alarm, and to do that, first we will need to be in the alarm mode, and to do that, press the mode button. And now you can see here, AL, alarm. And then press this one, the light button, and you can see here that the hour is flashing or blinking, and you can increase the number by pressing this one, the start stop button on the top left. So let's say I want to set the alarm at 5:30. Okay, and then press again the light button, and we are moving to the minute, sorry about that. And yes, press this one, the top left button, to increase the number of the minute. Okay, 5:30. And then press the light button to exit from the setting of the alarm. And now you can set which feature is active. So to do that, press the top left button from this screen. So this one, this means the alarm is active at 5:30. And then this one is the signal or the hourly chime that will gives you beeping sound every changing of the hour. And then this one meaning that both the alarm and the signal or the hourly chime are active. And this one, both are not active. So for this tutorial, let me show you if both are active. Okay, and then yeah, we're done for the setting of the alarm and also the hourly signal. Okay, now press the mode button to exit from the alarm mode. And now let's use the stopwatch. For this one, you can use the start stop button on the top left to start and pause, and again continue, and then pause or stop, and then reset using the light button, this one. Okay, you can also use the stopwatch for split time, and to do that, press the start, okay, and then use the light button to get the split time like this. And if you press again the light button, it will jump to the time that now running in the background, so like this. Okay, and then to stop, just use the top left button and then reset again using the light button. Okay, and yeah, that's all for the setting and operation of this watch, Casio W218H or 218HC. If you have any question or anything to add about the setting and operation of this watch, please put in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like, subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.